Yeah, coming to the transformation, today I wanted to explain these three problems. In this, before solving this problem, first I want to recollect the information of transformation formulas. What is mean by trigonometry transformation functions? Here, the term itself we can easily understand transforming some trigonometric functions to some product. That means sum to product. We are converting the trigonometric functions sum to product. Then that transformation is called trigonometric transformation. In that, we can see the number of formulas: sin C plus sin D. Second one is sin C minus sin D. Okay. Third one is cos C plus cos D. Fourth one is cos C minus cos D. Okay. You know all these values. What is the sin C plus sin D? 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So this is in the sum we are converted into product. Okay. So this way we can understand these transformation formulas. Okay. Please read all the transformation formulas and also the trigonometric basic formulas like identity relations, multiple and submultiple formulas, compound angle formulas, all these things to recollect and then try to solve these problems. Now I wanted to explain the first one. Okay. In this, what is the given? What is the given? That we wanted to prove. We wanted to prove this is equal to this. In this, which is easy to take LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. LHS to RHS. Always bigger to smaller is reducing is very easy. Okay. So take this LHS and prove to RHS. In this LHS, we can see the numerator by denominator. Again, numerator having the two terms which are in the summation and in the denominator also in summation. So now we will take into the one single trigonometric function, that is tan 10a. So that means tan 10a, the before the sentence or step is tan 10a ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది sin 10a by cos 10a అంతేనా కదా, because sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So in this way we can understand and we can solve this problem. So take the LHS and try to convert into RHS. So here the LHS is, what is LHS? Sin 5a plus sin 15a 5a by cos 15a plus cos 5a. Okay. In this, in the numerator, we can see very clearly the formula, which is sin C plus D, sin C plus sin D, and again in the denominator sin C minus sin D. So in this sin C plus sin D, I am recollecting and writing here. The formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Similarly, cos C minus cos C plus cos D. What is the cos C plus cos D formula? Cos D plus cos D formula 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Okay. So you just apply these two formulas, the transformation. Then you can see here C means 15, D means 5a. So 2 sin C plus D by 2, 2 sin C plus D by 2, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 by 2, 10a into C minus D by 2, 15 minus 5, 10a by 2, 5a. So cos 5a by, next in the denominator cos C ante 15, D ante 5a. So again cos C plus cos D formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. C means 15, D means 5. A 15 plus A plus 5A nothing but 20A by 2 means 10a. So that means 2 cos 10a into cos 15 minus 5, 15a minus 5a, 10a. 10a by 2 is 5a. Okay, so cancel cos 5. So cos sin 10a by cos 10a, that means tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, that is nothing but tan theta. So this is equal to RHS, hence proved. This way we can solve the remaining problems. Okay, try to solve the remaining problem.